Today, we are taking an in-depth look at ConvertKit, an email marketing platform designed for content creators, bloggers, and entrepreneurs. ConvertKit promises to simplify email automation, help you grow your audience, and improve your email marketing strategy. Let's explore whether it delivers on those promises. The homepage of ConvertKit is clean and minimalistic, immediately guiding you toward building an email list. Right away, the platform highlights its focus on creators, offering tools tailored to their needs. Signing up is straightforward, requiring only a few details to get started. Once inside the dashboard, you're greeted with an intuitive interface that makes navigation simple. The first thing I tested was the subscriber management feature. ConvertKit allows you to create tags and segments, making it easy to organize your audience based on interests or engagement levels. The automation system is another highlight, allowing you to build email sequences using a visual automation builder. This feature is great for setting up email funnels, drip campaigns, and personalized engagement strategies. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another essential part of ConvertKit is its email editor. The platform keeps it simple, with a text-based email composer, which is great for deliverability. However, if you're looking for advanced design options with heavy customization, you might find it somewhat limiting. ConvertKit prioritizes clean, effective emails over flashy templates. Landing pages and forms are built in, making it easy to create opt-in forms to capture leads. The customization options for landing pages are decent, though not as advanced as dedicated landing page builders. However, for those looking for a quick and efficient way to capture leads without extra costs, this is a solid feature. ConvertKit also supports integrations with many popular tools, including WordPress, Shopify, and Zapier. This makes it easy to connect with your existing tech stack. The platform also offers built-in monetization features, allowing you to sell digital products directly through email. Pricing is a crucial factor. ConvertKit offers a free plan, but it has limitations on automation and advanced features. The paid plans start at a reasonable price, scaling up based on your number of subscribers. If you're a creator looking for a straightforward email marketing tool without unnecessary complexity, ConvertKit might be worth considering. Overall, ConvertKit stands out for its ease of use, automation capabilities, and audience management features. However, if you prefer a more visual email editor or require extensive design flexibility, you may need to explore other options. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews.